77th edition of the Monster Energy FIM Motocross of Nations. We are at Matterley Basin in Great Britain. Pulls the foxhole shot, the Dharma up the inside, Tommy Searle up the inside, so too the number 2 of Tom Bial of France on the 250. But Prado from the outside, swinging in. Side is on the pegs, trying to counterbalance. Can he get on the gas? He can't. It's the gas of Prado that stays ahead, and these two have been going bar to bar all year long, and Geiser around the outside. Going, trying to go around, and he's up the inside of Roxon. This is in the final turn. And he goes through, so all of a sudden we've got Geiser, Prado, Hurlings, Tomac now 4. Pesky little Belgian was there, who looks across again, outsmarts the number 10, and Koonin now up into 6th place. And the number 25 will cross the line. He's already shaking his head, nodding his head. Geiser wins race 1 for Slovenia. Look who we've got at the inside, the 35 of Raceless in there as well. He won the race to go through in the B final. Fernandez, I thought he was going to be patient, but he controls that inside out of the final turn. Jet Lawrence here at Matterley Basin wins race 2. And it's Tomac who leads. See, we're there in second. Tomac then finding his way back past the Spaniard Prado. Up the inside. Side by side as they hit the line. Knows he's there, he can't afford to run too wide.
Not enough traction there on the inside for Jet, but he can get underneath him.
Bikes, but he's going to try. Oh, how tight to the post was that? Mistake there, a nervous look over the shoulder for the number 6. 2 corners to go. Geiser runs it down the inside. Oh, Geiser! He takes the lead away. Geiser wins the race. Wow, what a race! This is the 3rd place official trophy for the Netherlands. Jorge Villegas, the FIM president, handing the 2nd place trophy to Team USA. Australia win at Matterley Basin. They are the world champions 2024.